Now come to the next lecture. This lecture is based upon the numericals, in which we have sorted out few numericals based on current, electric current. First sample problem: an electric bulb draws a current of 0.30 ampere for 20 seconds. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. First, here I have written 5 problems, and then continuously one by one I have solved the problem. So first I am reading these problems. Second sample problem: an electric appliance draws a current of 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. An electric equipment draws a current of 2.0 ampere for 1 hour. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Next problem: an electric bulb draws a current of 0.40 mA means milliampere for 60 seconds. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Next problem: an instrument draws a current of 200 microampere, mu A means microampere, for 10 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. In all these 5 problems, one formula I have to use, that I is equal to Q by T. So first come to the problem 1. The formula is I is equal to Q by T. In this question, I is equal to 0.30 ampere, T is equal to 20 seconds. Therefore, I is equal to Q by T. Q is equal to I into T. The value of I is 0.30 ampere into 20 seconds gives you 6.00 coulomb. In this problem, I have to use, or we have to use, current in ampere, time in second, means all the units must be in same system. Same system means in SI system. Thus, amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit is 6 coulomb. This is the answer. So in various problems I have taken this, that somewhere SI unit or bigger unit, so you have to calculate in SI unit also only. Next problem: an electric appliance draws a current of 0.25 ampere. Here I is 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes. Time is 20 minutes. So in this numerical problem, time is 20 minutes. So first you will have to convert it into second, because SI unit of time is 20 seconds. So in this question, here the solution is given. I is equal to 0.25 ampere and time T is equal to 20 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 20 into 60 gives you 1200 seconds is the time. So whenever you are solving the problems, you must take one system, that is SI system. All the given things should be in SI system. So I is equal to Q by T, Q is equal to I into T, 0.25 ampere into 1200 second, multiply it, this gives you 300 coulomb. So 300 coulomb charge will flow. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, इस क्वेश्चन में ये है कि अगर 0.25 एम्पियर की करंट किसी अप्लायंस से 20 मिनट तक पास हो रही है, तो कितना चार्ज फ्लो करेगा, कितना चार्ज फ्लो करेगा, वो आंसर आया 300 कूलम्ब चार्ज फ्लो करेगा. इसका ये लिटरल मीनिंग है कि 300 कूलम्ब चार्ज फ्लोज और 300 कूलम्ब चार्ज फ्लोज इन 20 मिनट्स if 0.25 ampere current is flowing through the appliance. Next question: An electric equipment draws a current of 2.0 ampere for 1 hour. Now, in this question, current is in ampere and time is in hours. So, come to the solution. Here, current is equal to 2 ampere, time is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Since 1 hour is equal to, since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60. This gives you 3600 seconds. So Q is equal to I into T. I is equal to 2 into 3600 second gives you 7200 coulomb. दिस इज द आंसर। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर 2 एम्पियर की करंट किसी अप्लायंस से पास हो रही और 1 घंटे बही, तो इसका मतलब 1 घंटे फ्लो करी, तो इसका मतलब होगा कि 7200 कूलम चार्ज उस 1 घंटे में फ्लो करेगा एक जगह से दूसरी जगह। नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम, एन इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब ड्रॉज अ करंट ऑफ 0.40 MA for 60 seconds. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. In this numerical problem, current I is equal to 0.40 MA and time is equal to 60 seconds. So I is equal to 0.40 MA. We know that 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Time is equal to 60 seconds. Again using the equation Q is equal to I into T. I is equal to 0.40 into 10 power minus 3 ampere because we have to use only the SI units, ampere. In here current is in ampere and time is in second into 60. So 60 multiplied by 0.40 gives you, this is 24 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. We can also say it as 24 millicoulomb. So millicoulomb, this is the answer. Last problem, an instrument draws a current of 200 mu A for 10 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Current here it is given 200 microampere and time is 10 minutes. So solve this problem. Let's come to the point. Current I is equal to 200 microampere and we know that 1 microampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. That is I is equal to 200 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Time T is equal to 10 minutes. Since 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so this gives you 10 into 60 is equal to 600 seconds. From equation I is equal to Q by T, therefore Q is equal to I into T. 200 into 10 power minus 6 into 600. 600 into 200 gives you 12,000 into 10 power minus 6. 12,006 may be written as 0.12 into 10 power plus 6 into 10 power minus 6. So 10 power minus 6 or 10 power minus 6 cancels each other, gives you, here we can write it as suppose 0.12 into 10 to the power plus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 10 power 1 2 3 4 5 6 प्लेस जब मैं इधर लेफ्ट जाऊंगा, when you are moving toward the left, this gives you 0.12 into the power 6 power plus 6 minus 6 cancel each other, gives you 0.12 coulomb. So these are all about the 5 numerical problem. Here I have selected only the time and ampere in various modes. Somewhere I have taken as time in second, in some problem I have taken it hours, in minutes. You should keep in mind whenever you are solving the problem, time is to be converted into second. Time is in second and current must be in ampere. If it is milliampere, you should convert it into ampere. If it is microampere, it should be converted again into ampere. So keep in mind, while you are solving the numerical problems, there should be one system that is most probable use as SI system. If it is not mentioned which system in which you have to give the answer, then you should select the SI system, only SI is standard international system. Thanks a lot.